In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use else statements. So else statements are mainly used after an if statement. So that is only because else statements do not test for a condition. So they have to use the if to test for a condition. So for example, if maybe there was a test written and then someone got above 50 and then someone got 50 and then someone got below 50. So we can use the if and else statements to tell individuals that they have passed or not. So for example, if the mark is greater or equals to 50, then we can tell whoever that is that they passed. And then if the mark is below the pass mark, then we can tell them that they failed. So in that case, we use the if and else statement. So we can say if the mark is equals to 50 or greater than 50, then we tell them that they've passed, else tell them that they failed. Yeah, and that is because if they didn't get a mark that is up 50 or above 50, automatically they failed, because any mark that is below 50 is an automatical fail. So let me just write the code so that you can see what I'm talking about. So we're going to make an integer and then call it mark. Let's make it and then set it to 30, for example, 30%. Let me not put the percent, but we know that it's 30%. Okay, cool. And then now we want to test what the mark is. If the mark is greater, we want to test if the person failed or the person passed. So we're going to use an if statement. As I said, that while statements only work, else statements only work after an if statement. Okay, we're going to test the mark if the mark is greater or equals to 50. So obviously, if the mark is greater or equals to 50, we're going to see out a pass. Making mistakes. Okay. Okay, cool. And then now we can use an else statement, because we have used our else, our if statement before that. So as I said, that else statements do not test for condition. So they do not, when you're using else statement, you just write the curly braces only after the else. Unlike here, if you're using the if, you use the normal brackets. So you just write the else, the curly brackets, and then you put whatever thing that you want to be done inside those curly brackets or curly braces. Okay, there's no need for me to end the line here. Let me run the code and see what we get. We know that the mark is less than 50, so automatically this person failed. But once you use the if and the else statement to tell the person that automatically they passed or automatically they failed. So as you can see that here, the output, it was a fail. So it jumped this statement and then came to this one because this condition was not met. Okay, now let's change the mark and make it a 90. And then run the code again and see what we get. See, now it's a pass. So this is how you use an else statement. It is used after an if statement and it doesn't test for any condition. It just does what you tell it to do. Okay, cool. That's it for this video. If you liked this video and it was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.